Is a debt consolidation loan a financial lifesaver or a debt trap? The truth is, it can be both. This single financial tool can either help your credit or hurt it. The deciding factor isn't the loan, it's how you use it. Before we start, please remember this information is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified professional. Let's start with the upside. You're juggling multiple high-interest credit card payments. A debt consolidation loan replaces that complex web with a single monthly bill, often at a lower interest rate, saving you money and stress. So how does this help your credit score? First, it drops your credit utilization ratio, the amount of available credit you use. This ratio makes up 30% of your 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 score. When the loan pays off your cards, your utilization plummets, which can give your score a significant boost. Second, it simplifies your payment history, which is the biggest factor in your score at 35%. With only one due date, it's much easier to pay on time, every time. This consistency steadily improves your credit. Finally, it diversifies your credit mix. Lenders like seeing you can handle both credit cards and installment loans, so adding one can provide a small boost. Now for the downsides, because a consolidation loan isn't without its risks. First, the application process itself involves a hard inquiry on your credit, which can cause a small, temporary dip in your score. But the real danger is behavioral. With your credit cards paid off and their balances at zero, the temptation to start spending again can be huge. This is the biggest risk. If you run up new balances, you haven't solved your debt problem. You've doubled it, leaving you with both loan payments and new card debt. Another mistake is immediately closing your old credit card accounts. This can hurt your score by shortening your credit history and reducing your total available credit. Unless a card has a high annual fee, it's often better to just keep it open but put it away. By the way, if you're planning to apply for any loan, it's smart to check your credit score beforehand. You can do that instantly with a reliable credit monitoring service. I've linked my favorite one in the description. It gives you your 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 score, full report, and real-time updates so you know exactly where you stand before applying. So is a debt consolidation loan good or bad for your credit? The loan itself is neutral. It's a mirror that reflects your financial habits. The loan doesn't save or ruin your credit, your behavior does. If you have a solid plan to control spending, the loan is a powerful tool to help you get out of debt and improve your score. But if you haven't addressed the spending habits that created the debt, the loan just offers a false sense of security, making it easy to fall into an even deeper debt cycle. So how do you know if this is the right move for you? Ask yourself 3 honest questions. 1. Do I understand why I got into debt? Was it a one-time emergency or a result of overspending? 2. Do I have a written monthly budget I can actually stick to? This is non-negotiable for success. 3. Am I committed to not using the credit cards I pay off? Are you ready to put them away or even cut them up? If you answered no to any of these, you might not be ready for a consolidation loan. And that's okay. Other strategies, like the debt snowball or avalanche methods, can be very effective without requiring a new loan. Ultimately, whether a debt consolidation loan helps or harms your credit score is up to you. It can be a great tool, but only if you've already committed to changing your financial habits. A tool can't fix a behavioral problem. The most important first step is creating a budget and a plan. If you're ready to tackle the root cause of debt, a great place to start is our video on making a budget that actually works. You can find the link in the description. If this video brought you some clarity, please give it a like and subscribe for more straightforward financial tips.